Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chubthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very important rubric that you might encounter in your daily practice, but sometimes we fail to understand what to take for this. I'll start with an example. I had a patient who came to me and told my receptionist that I am so and so, so please tell sir to see me early because I have to go somewhere. I am a little bit busy. When his turn came inside, I said, "Sir, uh, I cannot wait so long. Huh? I am this. So please tell your receptionist to first call me inside." And he opened the door and told the receptionist, "Please see what sir wants to tell you." And he told the receptionist that sir is telling you that please see me early. This type of person you might encounter in your practice. Now, what is this called as? Or for example, I had a very interesting case of I would say a teenage girl. Whenever she used to come in the clinic, she used to say, "Sir, please see me earlier because I am so beautiful looking and everybody keeps staring at me. I don't like that. So whenever I come, I'll tell outside, I'll call you. Please receive my call and see me early so that I don't have to face this embarrassment." So this type of basically patients will come to you, or some patient will come and tell you, "Okay, sir, see, I am a busy person. I'm XYZ. Always pick up my phone because if I can't talk to you, then I have to think of some other doctor because I want the results. I want to be with the doctor anytime. So please pick up my phone." So this is a very important rubric, a symptom that you have to understand. जैसे कि पेशेंट आता है, बोलता है बाहर के, "सर, मैं यहाँ आया जिसने मुझे भेजा है, मैं ये पोजीशन का आदमी हूँ, आप तुरंत मुझे देख लिया करिए, मैंने बाहर रिसेप्शनिस्ट को बोल दिया है, आप भी उनको थोड़ा बोल दीजिएगा, मैं जैसे ही मुझे तुरंत अंदर भेज दीजिए।" ये वर्डिंग्स बोलेगा पेशेंट। इससे हमको क्या समझना है? सो दिस इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज pompous, a very important rubric, pompous. Now what do you exactly mean? Pompous का मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया, वॉट एवर आई हैव टोल्ड यू, लाइक अ पर्सन basically who has an excessive pride of himself, or he has a tendency to speak high about himself. He feels that he is a person who has achieved a lot of things in life, so he has to be given priority. उसको लगता है उसकी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ काम किया है, वो बहुत बड़ा आदमी है, उसके पास टाइम नहीं है, इसलिए डॉक्टर को मुझे पहले देखना चाहिए. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज pompous. Very similar, very linking rubrics you have to understand with this type of rubric that is called as braggart, or you can say boasters. braggart personality, अपने आप को इतना ग्रेट समझते हैं, डॉक्टर से भी ग्रेट समझते हैं, टाइम नहीं है उनके पास, डॉक्टर टेल्स डॉक्टर तुरंत देखो मेरे को. braggart, pompous. Or you can say vanity. Vanity also very closely linked rubric with this braggart. And one more rubric that comes to my mind, you should understand, that is haughtiness. So these all 3-4 rubrics are very short, but you have to interpret this and then prescribe the remedy. We have remedies like platina, we have remedies like lycopodium, we have remedies, lot of remedies, and if you get this rubric right, you are very this is the basic rubric. If a personality is like this, so you can enter the case by this rubric. So braggart, linking rubrics are very close knitted rubrics. You can think about haughty, you can think about pompous, you can think about vanity, and this is how you have to differentiate different rubrics and see what suits your case. So this is how you have to interpret the patient's language in the rubric form, and it is very easy to then get a group of remedies and then differentiate with your knowledge of Mater Medica, or add few more rubrics which are very peculiar to the patient, and you will reach the simillimum very fast. So my friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.